you are parallel with a neutral spine to the ground, the more difficult it is.
Yeah, I see my glutes. The boys started with
March up those glutes. Hold those abs in, contract in, don't hold your breath. Last 10 seconds, pick up when you can, pick back up. Woo! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, mama. You love it. Woo! You love it. Yeehaw. We're getting it hard and strong, hard and strong. Woo! Come back, stretch back. Back to the easy lifts. Up, down. Woo! Squeeze your shoulder blades. Work your back. Small lift up. Watch. Don't overarch. Squeeze those glutes. Squeeze the lower lumbar. Thumbs up. Good job. You look so cool. Woo!
Like skydiving.
Thumbs up, everybody. Good job. Right. Wouldn't that be fun? Good work, everyone. Thumbs up.
Camera, there you go. Squeeze it harder, Melissa. More.
I love it. I love it. 4, 3. Good job, everyone. 2. You love it. 1. Hold, 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 hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Hey, no butt shots on her. We don't want to see that. Come on.
Okay, we'll get you then.
No. We know how that works. So we did. I do have an exercise I was going to do for Valentine's Day, but there's one husband I was going to do hip lifts. We can do it at home later. Huh? You want to try that? Let's do that. Let's do it. Okay, go back. That way we'll be too sore for Valentine's Day afterwards. Just kidding. This works your core. This is going to work your back. Where's your Valentine's Day? Good. Watch. Keep your head down. One leg up. I like to tuck my elbows, tuck my shoulders right underneath me really tight. So I really tuck them in. It gives me good stability. Lift up and down. Up, down. Up, down. This is fast. Up. Up. He wants to go home. Up. Really? No. 1. Yeah, he wants to go home. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you can't leave yet. Rescue me, Jeremiah. You have 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Switch legs. Switch. Lift. Work those hamstrings. Work those abs. Work those lower backs. Work those glutes. Woo! Lift up. Slow and control. Woo! 8, 7. Last 6. 5, 4, 3, 2. Drop both legs. Lift both hips up and down. Lift up and down. Up, down. Up. There's your Valentine's Day move. Up and down. Up and down. Sorry, I'm going to be too sore.